Hello everyone. In this video, we will look into how to map the space around us. What is a map? A map actually is a drawing of the surrounding, but it is not exactly a picture. There is a difference between drawing a picture and drawing a map. For example, when we draw a map, the objects in the map, they may not be to the scale. The objects I am talking about. The distance between the object will be to the scale, but the objects themselves will not be to the scale. For example, if there is a tree, in a picture we might have to draw this to the scale, but in a map I can just create a small symbol for a tree and I show this symbol. Now if there is another tree here which is bigger than this, but in my map I will not be showing it bigger, I will be showing the same symbol. So there is a small difference here. The objects are not to the scale. The distance between the objects are to the scale, but the objects themselves are not to the scale. Also, perspective is very important in drawing a picture, whereas that is not at all important when we draw a map. For example, if I'm drawing a road, just to give the feel that road is going far away and I am looking from this side, so this is going to be seen bigger and this is going to be seen smaller. Actually the road is not getting smaller, but for drawing the picture we do this. And even the trees here, they will be big, and as we go away the trees would be shown as small. But in a map this will be shown, this turning road will be shown same size throughout. The trees, as we saw earlier, will be shown using some symbol which will be of the same size. The distance, the closeness, or the far, if the trees are far, they are not going to become small. They will be same size in the map. We saw two differences between picture and map. One is perspective. A picture has a perspective, whereas map does not have a perspective. And we saw symbols. In map we use symbols for different objects, whereas in picture we draw those objects as they look. If I have house, I may show the house like this, or if I have this as, let's say, a hospital, I will still show it like this, but only maybe show a plus sign to indicate that this is hospital. So this is how I will use in map, whereas in picture we will have to draw these things to the scale and using a certain perspective. We also saw the scale, the use of scale. So we saw that in picture the objects are to the scale, so their proportions are supposed to be maintained. Whereas in a map, the objects are not to the scale, but the distance between the object is to the scale. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.